Hey everyone, it's Walkin from Motorola, and today we're going to be getting hands-on and unbox the Moto G86 Power, our all-new powerhouse. Let's unbox and take a closer look at the new Moto G86 Power 5G. Featuring our biggest battery ever, a stunning Super HD display, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Power chipset, and flagship grade durability. In the box, you get the Moto G86 Power 5G, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejection tool, and the usual documentations. Straight away, the premium finish and curved edges give it a premium look and feel. Despite its IP68, IP69 and military standard 810H toughness, it's impressively slim and lightweight. The 6.7-inch POLED display offers razor-sharp resolution, HDR10+, and 120Hz refresh rate, reaching up to 4,500 nits for bright outdoor visibility. Inside, the Dimensity 7300 chipset with up to 8GB of RAM delivers fast, efficient performance. Its 50-megapixel Sony Litius 600 main sensor with OIS produces sharp, vibrant images even in low light. You also get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Moto G86 Power packs in our biggest battery ever, a 6,720 mAh battery that lasts up to 53 hours, and also supporting fast turbo power charging at 30 watts. Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint scanning, NFC, and Wi-Fi 6E make this phone feature-rich. It runs Android 15 with Moto Gestures and Smart Connect. With its OLED display, premium design, rugged build, and powerful performance and battery life, the Moto G86 Power 5G is one of the most feature-packed mid-range phones for only £299. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave us a comment to let us know what you think about the new G86 Power.
Hello, Moto.